merit badges, bronze, silver, gold, and I've even got one platinum that is waiting in Mr. Pavis's study at the moment to be presented at some point. Thank you for that. I know somebody said to me that they were nervous about claiming their gold or their platinum because they'd have to go to Miss Gossite or Mr. Pavis's office. They said, oh, that's a bit scary. To go there for a good thing is not scary, but if you were really, really scared, I'll come with you and hold your hand. Well, I won't hold your hand, but please don't turn down an award because you're nervous about something. And if you really don't want to go, then I'll just give it to you, in my classroom. But I'd like to acknowledge them. Well done to those that went up to Stoke at the weekend to represent us for gymnastics. Alex, Ava, Daisy, Sissy, Hannah and Maddie. A long way to go and a big commitment for the weekend. Under 16s, it was a national competition and they came 15th, and the under 13s came 10th, and I think Maddie got an individual 5th. Yes, she's nodding. Brilliant. Thank you to Miss Bourneton, because I know how tiring a weekend like that, all that driving. Stoke is like really far. I just want to mention Arshad, might embarrass him a little bit, but we've had the LDC talk about developing essay writing skills and absolutely shining in there, so that's lovely. That's come through from Miss Nelson. I also just wanted to mention, right, I had a bit of a problem at the start of last week where I was getting quite a few reports about people being unkind to each other. Just sort of low-level stuff, but just not really being nice. And I spoke to Year 7 specifically, like the two different groups. I popped up to their art lesson and their music lesson, and we had a chat. And I just want to kind of celebrate and thank you, because there has been a most definite improvement in that. Some of the people that were feeling a bit left out, some of the people that were feeling a little bit, ostracised or sidelined, have noticed a little bit more kindness, and I really appreciate that. Year 8, you're next. I'm coming to speak to you in a nice way. So I think I'm going to hand over to Mr. Wald, because Mr. Wald has got some cross-country stuff that's going out this weekend.
So first off, with kindness, actually think back to when we went to the ISA Cross Country Championships. You were all really supportive and kind to each other, looking after each other. We did have a couple of injuries that day, and you were really good. There's a couple of outstanding awards from the event at Gloucester that we went to. So Oakley, Bodie, and is Toby Shy here? I probably think not yet. So you guys come down and get your ISA Southwest Cross Country Awards. So give them a round of applause, Oakley and Bodie. So there you go. They fought really, I'm thinking about you now. Ran really well and just deserved their award. But stay here because we've got some more awards. So this weekend is the grand final. Stoke last weekend. This weekend is Nottingham. So the team are going up to Nottingham to race in the ISA National Cross Country Championships. It's a massive event. I wish all the team, I'm sure the staff wishes all the team really well. You have your coveted team hoodies to go. The one thing I've forgotten to do is put them in what order you ordered. So they're in sort of medium size to large. So let's have the team up. So we've got Bodie, James Maycott, so testing my memory, Elise Helps, Maddie Wilson, Travis Holsworth, there's one more. Finley Cloak, that's it, that's the team. Come up and get your hoodies, guys and girls. Give them a round of applause. So this is a small, that's probably you. We've got another small, they're all this small, it's got to be you, isn't it, really? We've got the mediums, so I reckon there's a medium there, Elise. We have the large, and then we've got another medium. I think it was your another medium, wasn't it? Then we've got the large or extra large, which is large. I think that's it, isn't it? And then we've got Travis. There we go. Okay. So well done. So let's wish them the best of luck for the weekend. Turn around and give them a Well done. And on top of that, we've had a lot of swimming success in the last couple of weekends. So the swimming team have now got their hoodies as well. So I don't know the exact extent of your results at the weekend, but I know they were really good. So Elise and Sawyer, you fought again, Julie. Swam really, really well at the weekend. Congratulations to you guys in the swimming pool. So Sawyer and Elise, come up and get your team hoodies for that. So well done, guys, and I really do wish you the best of luck at the weekend at the cross country. I'm sorry I can't be there. I am committed to a judo event this weekend, so I know your parents are taking you, so best of luck. We will look forward to seeing and reading your results on Monday. That's it for me. Thank you.
I'd like to say well done to the gymnastics team that Mr. Whaley's already done. So fantastic results and a really good representation of the school. Well done to you all. I'd also like to say thank you, particularly to year 10 and 11, who I look at quite a lot, for the vast improvement about uniform. Keep it up, guys, that's really good. And I would like to say a very, very big congratulations to Aaron, Isla and Sean for reaching the next round, which is the regional finals of the Young Environmentalist competition. So come on, a big clap for those, please. And also for Aaron and Sean, for your progress in English, you have come on leaps and bounds. So well done, guys. Thank you very much.
Good morning. Last week was National Careers Week, and we didn't have an assembly on the Thursday, so I didn't really do a lot about it. But just wanted to say what is going to be going on over the next few weeks. So today, Year 12 have their mock interviews with the Rotary Club, and they've been preparing CVs, they've been preparing for cover letters, they've been applying for a job that they would potentially want in the future. The UCAS, which finished earlier in the year, we've got all our Year 13s have applied to a lot of our Year 13s have applied for university, and the Year 12s will be getting underway in the coming weeks and starting up that process. With that said, with the careers, I'd like to put a special mention to somebody that's actually not going to university next year and has gone through the interview process, has gone through an application process, and has come through and been very successful. And this person's actually going to go and apply to flight school, or he's going to go to flight school, and that's Harry Armstrong. He's actually had his interview, he's gone through the stresses of all what it takes in order to qualify, which is a very unique set of circumstances. It's not just about your academic qualifications, whilst they're important. It's about his aptitude test and things like that that you'd have had to have passed in order to get there. So I just want to say congratulations, Harry, well done. It's a different route to a lot of you that may be thinking about in the future. And those routes are available to everybody. It's not just about academic, it's not just about applying to universities. So if you're sitting there thinking, this doesn't matter to me, it actually does, because there's a lot of opportunities out there. And if you want to have that discussion, please come and see me. Make an appointment, or just knock on my door, or just if you see me in passing in the dining hall, come and see me and have that conversation. So well done, Harry, and I'd like everyone else to show. And with that, we've got some more awards, and I'll hand you over to Miss Makepeace for World Book Day.
Thank you. It's 2 weeks since World Book Day. Unfortunately, we didn't have a celebration assembly last week, so you've had to wait. So we ran it as a house competition. There were points for anyone who dressed up, but also there were individual winners. We don't have a cup for this house competition, but you get points that go to the end of term totals. It was ever so close. Putsborough and Willicombe came third with 20 points, and the winner and the second were a point away from each other Saunton was second with 22 and Croyd won with 23. Costumes. There were some lovely costumes. Mr. Pavis, Mrs. Hamilton, Mrs. Gossite all helped with the judging. And we've come up with 5 winners who I've got prizes for. So I'll read out the names and then you can come out or down. So the people who won the costume prizes were Joseph Lay, who I think was the Mad Hatter, if I remember rightly, Henry Whittaker, who was Willy Wonka, Freddie Thompson, who was Gangster Granny, May, who was a character from Harry Potter, who I'm sorry I can't remember, and Isla, who I think was Alice in Wonderland. So if you'd like to come down or out. If you don't like the egg you get, swap it with someone else. Well done. Are you getting Isla's prize? Don't eat it. Make sure. Are they coming down from upstairs? While they're coming, okay, here they go. Well done. Who were you? I can't remember.
A teacher.
Oh, you can't remember. You told me on the day, though. Well done. Right. I've also got Year 9, always between Christmas and February half term, do quite a big project in English. It's a major piece of work. They spend about half their lessons for half a term on it, and it's an autobiography. And both groups did it. There was some lovely work, really lovely. Mrs. Kringle and I were so pleased, and it was really hard to pick winners. We always do pick some winners. I'll read out the names. We actually are giving more prizes than we normally do. They were so good. So the winners were, for effort, William Channings, Yuk Hung, Ollie Hart and Finley Cloak, and for just overall presentation and quality, Beth Sequoia, Izzy Westaway, Bethan Smith and Fiona Bedford. So if you'd like to come out. Well done. They were lovely. There you go. They're not gender specific in their colour. Well done. Well done, everyone. And hopefully that might inspire some of the Year 8s to do as well next year when they're doing it.
Well, good morning everybody, and very, very well done to all of those people that came up and received prizes this morning. And I hope that's an inspiration for everybody to keep getting involved, participating in anything and everything you can, and just putting in the effort, the maximum effort that you can as well. And the rewards will follow, the outcomes will get there. Are there any staff announcements this morning?
Just a quick one to remind the Year 11 Cantonese children that you've got your lesson this morning with Mr. Hamilton, so that's even if you do mainstream English.
Thank you.
Morning. So just as a final reminder for those coming on the Harry Potter trip tomorrow, finally, when I booked the tickets, Mrs. Jackson was still head teacher and it was supposed to be your Christmas treat, and then COVID got in the way. So if you're not sure if you're on the trip, come and see me today because I've got the final list, hopefully. But you need to be at school at 7:45 tomorrow morning unless you've agreed to be picked up at Barnstable on the way or at No Stone picnic area. It's own clothes, but you must wear your PE hoodie. All right, see you tomorrow.
Any more? Thank you. Well, it's a very busy weekend for lots of you this weekend. Good luck to all the people out training at 10 Tours, cross-country runners, of course, the judo. Bad luck, unlucky to the senior footballers from yesterday, but the return fixture, I believe, is being arranged for 2 weeks' time. So hopefully we will get our revenge then. Otherwise, have a good day and please wait to be dismissed by the prefect.